Location of parts in WDG4P4. Loco right side, loco left side. Loco right, nose compartment, driver's cab, ECC1, ECC1 back panel, TCC1, TCC2, clean air compartment, main alternator room, room, engine accessory room, ECC3, compressor room, radiator room, loco left side, radiator room, compressor and engine equipment room, engine accessory room, engine room, main alternator room, TCC2, TCC1, ECC1 brake panel, back panel, driver's cab, nose compartment, loco right side. This is driver's cab, control console number 1, control console number 2. This is ECC1, horn and sander magnet valves, computer relay unit, voltage conditioning unit, pneumatic control unit, dead engine cock, nose compartment, CCB, computer control braking, CRU plus PCU plus VCU, dead engine cock, driver's cab, control console number 1, control console number 2, LH and ECC1, electrical control cabinet number 1, long hood control stand, wiper control knobs, MR red, ER white gauge, BP BC red gauge. Number 4, airflow indicator, white needle indicator, speedometer. Number 6, track to effort meter. Number 7, indicating panel, alerter light. Number 9, horn buttons, alerter reset button, sand testing button. Number 12, brake controller unit, automatic brake handle. Number 13, independent brake handle. Number 14, lead trail switch, air brake selector switch. Number 15, locomotive controller, throttle handle or selector handle. 16, reverser handle. long hood control stand switches. Number 1, MU stop button. Number 2, engine run switch. Number 3, control and fuel pump switch. Number 4, GF switch. Number 5, dynamic braking controller breaker. EM2000 computer screen and keypad. Engine control panel. EM2000 module compartment. Braking contactors compartment. DC link motor switchgear. Isolation switch. Number 2, dynamic braking cutoff sliding switch. Number 3, blended brake cutoff switch. Exterior light switch. Number 5, maintenance room switch. Engine. Battery ammeter. Number 7, alerter alarm. Emergency fuel cutoff engine stop switch. Number 9, engine start switch for WTP4 only. Classification light switch. Blended brake slide switch. Fuel prime engine start switch. ECC1. ECC1 back panel. TCC1. TCC2. DB grids. DB blower fans. Cyclonic filter. ECC1 back panel. TCC1 traction control converter 1. TCC2 traction controller converter 2. On top, DB grids, 2 DB blower fans, clean air compartment, electronic blower motor, dustbin blower motor, baggy type fiberglass air filter, traction motor blower, IPR, clean air compartment, dustbin blower motor, electronic blower motor, baggy type fiberglass air filters, traction motor blower, IPR, inverter protection resistor, magnet valve for radar, clean air compartment, main alternator room, companion alternator, ring gear, main alternator, aftercooler, turbo exhaust, aftercooler, ejector tube, turbo exhaust, oil separator, from AC, main alternator room, main alternator, companion alternator, ring gear, after cooler, after cooler water inlet and outlet pipe, turbo EMD G series, turbo exhaust, educator, oil separator, flexible pipe from after cooler to ejector, main alternator room clean air compartment, engine room, general engine arrangement, 45 degrees narrow V design, cylinder liner comprises the cylinder water jacket, intake ports, air intake ports, water inlet, water jumper, water manifold, piston and rings, 4 compression rings upper portion, 2 oil control rings lower portion, upper compression rings, lower oil control rings. Cylinder head consists of 4 exhaust valves, unit injector, rocker arms, 3 rocker arms, 2 valve bridges, injector well, exhaust valves, injector well, cylindrical cylinder head bottom, passages for water, valve bridge, rocker arms, valve lever mechanism holding studs, 8 studs holding cylindrical head with liner, crab assembly, hold down crab system, holds power assemblies with engine block by crab bolt retaining system. Crab bolts extended from inside the airbox to above the cylinder head. Lube oil, sump inspection covers, airbox inspection covers, decompression plug, exhaust manifold, lube oil dipstick gauge, airbox chamber, engine room, lube oil sump with inspection covers, airbox with airbox inspection covers, lube oil dipstick gauge on both sides, decompression plugs, top deck cover, exhaust manifold, engine accessory room, handbrake, ECC3, compressor room, radiator room, EPD, LWS test cock, HOD, piston cooling and main lube pump, lube oil strainer, FP bar ES switch, fuel primary filter conditioning gauge, water pumps, scavenging oil pump, WW governor, governor lay shaft, ETP 1 and 2, water expansion tank, HOD, OSTA, LLOB, pressure cap, water tank, ETP, engine accessory room, scavenging oil pump, piston cooling and main lube pump, lube oil strainer on left side, water pumps, two water pumps, EPD engine protective device, LWS test cock, WW governor with a spy glass and LLOB plunger, governor lace shaft, HOD hot oil detector, OSTA, FP bar ES switch, fuel prime engine start switch, fuel primary filter conditioning gauge, water tank with pressure cap, water level gauge, ETP 1 and 2 engine temperature probe below exhaust tank, handbrake outside engine accessory room, MRPT 300 amps radiator fan fuses, radiator fan conditioner, radiator fan contactor, manual operation button, FC's fan contactor slow speed 3 pole, FCS fan contactor fast 2 pole, fan contactor fast 3 pole, ECC3 electrical control cabinet 3, radiator fan contactors, radiator fan fuses 300 amps, RF circuit breaker if provided, fuses will not be provided, MRPT main reservoir pressure transducers, MRPT cock and a quick connector behind ECC3, IC safety valve, MVCC, MRPT cock, quick connector, compressor room, 3 cylinder 2 stage compressor, magnet valves including magnet valve compressor control, intercooler with safety valve, fiberglass filter, MR cooling coils, radiators room, radiators, number 2, 2 radiator fans with 2 AC motors, fiberglass filters for filtering air from traction motor duct to low pressure cylinders, MR cooling coils, loco left side, radiator, radiator fans, radiator rooms, radiators, 2 radiator fans with 2 AC motors, fiberglass filters for filtering air from traction motor duct to low pressure cylinders, MR cooling coils, dipstick gauge, HP cylinder, LP cylinder, MR cooling coil, Lubile filter conditioning gauge, fuel primary filter, Lubile filter, Lubile cooler, water expansion tank, FPM, suction strainer, Lubile strainer, fuel return side glass, fuel bypass side glass, compressor room and equipment rack, two stage 3 cylinder compressor, dipstick gauge, Lubile filter with filter conditioning gauge, Lubile cooler, water tank rear view, fuel oil primary filter, fuel pump motor, suction strainer, engine accessory room, Lubile strainer, fuel oil secondary filter, spin-on filters, fuel return side glass and fuel bypass side glass, turbo lube pump, soak back filter, turbo filter, engine room, Lubile dipstick gauge, Lubile sump and inspection covers, airbox and airbox inspection covers, decompression plugs, turbo lube pump, soak back filter, turbo filter, two starting motors, battery knife switch and starting fuse 800 amps, BKS, starting fuse 800 amps, AG drive shaft, after cooler, AG, main alternator room, main alternator, companion alternator, ring gear and starting motors, after cooler, auxiliary generator drive shaft, cyclonic filter, TCC2, TCC1, ECC1 back panel, driver's cap, nose compartment, horn, flasher light, headlight, classification light, MU connector, FP pipe, BP pipe, MR equal and BC equalizing pipe, radar, radar blowpipe, ECC2, ST and STA, battery charging rectifier, additional auxiliary generator, field circuit breaker, battery box on left side of loco in WG4, Right side of the loco in WDP4 locos with 4 traction motors. Thank you.